until finally we find the antidote, the absolute antidote called Vladimir Putin. When Putin invades Ukraine, in 24 hours, nobody was talking about the Batmanakis anymore. It's finished. Vladimir Putin was the natural antidote. Megale, Vladimir, Bratan Vladimir. O sea, what the world didn't do in 2 years, you do it in 24 hours. Oh, yeah, да, хорошо my ass. Because the guy said, no. We're going inside. It's a special military operation, which is a euphemism. Special military operation. Εντάξει, ρε μαλάκα, it's a war. No, нет war. What нет war? It's asymptomatic. Because remember the period of asymptomatic? No, you are, but you're not. It can be a false positive. What do you mean by false positive? It's a positive, but it's a false positive. So it's a false positive, it's a true negative. Yes? But you can also be false negative. Τι λες μωρέ μαλάκα? So if it's a false negative, it's a true positive. Yes. Malaka, this is the variant. I am, but I'm not, but I am. And they drove us crazy with this, and nobody said anything. Nobody. People were just accepting, because this is how they brainwash us. They brainwash us. False positive, false negative. Malaka, I take it. It's very hot here. I don't want to take my clothes off, because I want you to contact me in Tinder. Yeah, because in Tinder I'm naked. Not completely naked, so that there is surprise, no? And they start, to λέω ρε μαλάκα Vladimir, what are you doing? It's an asymptomatic war. Asymptomatic, so it's a war, but it's not a war. Yeah, a special military operation to denazify. What? Denazify. Nazi from the Nazis? from Hitler, the Nazis? Da! Ρε μαλάκα, the president Zelensky is Jewish. What are you telling me, να πούμε? Oh, no, нет проблем, my ass. O sea, you saying to Ukraine, we're coming to denazify you. Megale, what can I tell you? It's like, you know, remember when Bill Clinton, the young people won't remember. Well, Bill Clinton with Monica Lewinsky, by the way, Lewinsky, I thought she was Macedonian because there are a lot of ski here. There are a lot of ski Macedonia, and I'm very impressed. My country didn't use the Monica Lewinsky blowjob for propaganda against Macedonia. Normally Greeks do this. You see, a Macedonian gave the American president the blowjob in the Oval Office. Normally they do these things, Greece. Oval Office or Anal Office, because when they fuck the rest of the world, I call it the Anal Office. I'm sure most of you who follow politics and kind of will remember this. The guy appears on TV. He appears on TV, maximum audience, he says. And he looks at the camera and he says, I did not have sex with that woman. Bill Clinton. Megale, she gave you a blowjob in the Anal Office. So this tells you that blowjob is completely legal. It's not sex. So next time, for the men, you can tell her, give me a blowjob. What are you saying? It's okay. The American president got the blowjob in the Anal Office. It's okay. There is no problem. It's completely legal. Yeah. So this Vladimir comes in. No. We are going to denazify a Jewish president. What I'm surprised is that Israel hasn't said anything. When normally Israelis, you touch a Jewish dog in Buenos Aires, Argentina, and it's war. It's war. They send the Mossad, they send the Shabak, they send the Shin Bet, they send everybody to save the fucking Jewish dog